Are you ever frustrated or immobilized by all the different ways to study anatomy to the point of wanting to give up? Is one way better or is it a waste of time? Believe it or not, there's actually a simple guiding principle that will help you make sense of it all. Hello, I'm Kuo, a fantasy illustrator, and today I'll be sharing a sanity-saving idea that helped me got through my anatomy block, and hopefully this will help you too. When I first started drawing, I was frantically trying different drawing methods. I felt like I was stuck in traffic, changing from lane to lane, only to be stuck again wherever I went. When I told this to a more advanced artist friend, he laughed and told me that I actually got the whole picture wrong. And instead of telling me there's a right way to draw, he told me the right way to think. So let me share it with you. What he said was that there's not a correct route or some secret diamond lane to learn anatomy. Instead, learning anatomy is more like climbing a hill with infinite ways of going up from all different angles. With enough mileage and repetition, whatever formula or formulas you started with to do figure drawings will end up morphing and combining to fit your own likings. Moreover, by the law of cross-training, whatever styles you chose will indirectly help with getting better at other approaches as well anyway. And so perhaps the particular path that you begin with doesn't really matter as much in the end. By the way, just like learning anatomy, I'm again totally lost with all the different paths to making YouTube videos. Let me know if I'm on the right path with a like or comment. Thank you. Now here's the amazing thing after hearing his idea. I didn't make a single change to my training. I kept on experimenting with different styles of study, but the biggest difference is that I felt freed from the shackles of indecision and I could enjoy drawing again. And through this resurgence of drawings, I gradually gravitated towards paths that I felt more connected to, while still borrowed bits and pieces from other things I've tried. I hope this video will find its way to someone who was distressed like me. If you have any tips on overcoming your indecisions, remember to share it with everyone in the comments. Thank you.